Today, let's learn kitchen words with Bunny. Are you ready?
This is a kitchen. Kitchen. This is a stove. Stove. This is a fridge. Fridge. This is a sink. Sink. This is a plate. Plate. This is a spoon. Spoon. This is a fork. Fork. This is a cup. 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 This is a pot. 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 This is a knife. Knife.
Great job! You learned kitchen words today. See you next time. Bye-bye!